Hi, I'm Nathan, your pool cover replacement expert. If you already have a safety pool cover that is worn, damaged, or ready to be replaced, you may be concerned that a new cover will require drilling an entirely new set of anchor holes in your pool deck. To prevent that, we pioneered the Ameri-Brand Advantage Duplicate Pool Cover Program. We will duplicate the exact size, shape, and strap locations of your existing cover so your new cover is made to perfectly fit the anchors already installed in your pool deck. We offer this service for both residential and commercial swimming pools, and we have been successfully providing pool cover repairs and duplicate replacement covers for more than 25 years, and we've completed thousands of covers. Our goal is simple: to make repairing or replacing your pool cover as easy and risk-free as possible. The process usually begins with a phone conversation or by filling out the simple form you can find by using the green Contact Us button at the top of this page. Or, if you'd like to speak with one of our pool cover experts, give us a call at 800-982-6966. To help the process along, just give us the address of the property, and usually we are able to measure your pool using various satellite imagery programs. Or, you may already know the exact size of your pool, and if so, we can use that. We will provide you with a price estimate. In most cases, that estimate is very close to the final price, and usually our pricing can save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars versus other pool cover sources. You can also use the online pool cover calculator on our website. By entering the size and details of your pool, you can get a very good idea of what you can expect to pay for a duplicate replacement cover. There's nobody else out there that does that for you. If you're comfortable with the preliminary price and would like us to inspect your existing cover, we will send you a shipping box along with instructions for sending the cover to our manufacturing plant. There is no charge to you. The shipping box is free shipping. Your existing cover to the plant is free. The factory inspection is free. If your commercial or oversized cover is too large to fit into a shipping box, we can arrange for a truck to pick it up at no charge. When your cover arrives at the plant, the factory inspects and measures it. They verify the size, shape, material, strap locations, special features, and the other details that you previously discussed with us. They will also evaluate the overall condition of your existing cover. When it is practical and safe to do so, the factory will provide you with two options: the cost to repair your existing cover and the price of a new duplicate replacement cover. This gives you choices. We then receive the final quote and we will contact you to go over the final pricing. Remember, you are under no obligation to proceed until you have received and approved the final price. When you are ready, we process your order, you declare the color, and we place it in the lineup. And as a homeowner, you receive the exact same price that we sell to pool service companies, pool stores, and pool builders. If for any reason you decide not to proceed after getting the final quote, that's not a problem. We will return your original pool cover to you at no charge. You do not pay for the box, the shipment to the factory inspection, or the return shipment of your original cover. That means there is zero risk to you when you send us your existing cover for inspection and a final quotation. Because it works so well, there are a few companies that have copied our duplicate cover program. But be careful. It is important to understand their shipping policies. Some companies require you to pay the shipping costs both to and from the factory. With today's shipping costs, that can amount to several $100s each way. Other companies may offer free shipping to get your old cover, but if you decide not to purchase a new one from them, they'll charge you several $100s to return your original cover. It's like holding your cover hostage until you pay up. With the Ameri-Brand Advantage Duplicate Pool Cover Program, you approve the final price before placing your order. With us, there is no pressure, no obligation, and zero risk to you. You can get the process started by using the green Contact Us button at the top of this page, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for your time and consideration.